today's video, we're going to take a look at credit limits and credit holds. So first things first, if we go over to sales and then customers, and we can open a customer record up. This customer currently doesn't have a credit limit, so we can set that here to be £500. We also have an option here, a tick box, to place someone on credit hold. You also have the options in general settings to offer a grace period. If you have a grace period of 5 days, then after the grace period has been reached, they'll automatically be put on credit hold. What you can also do is have someone have a credit limit like so, and then when you pop a sale on for them that exceeds the amount of the credit limit, you'll get a notification to let you know that they're over the credit limit. So I'll just show you what that looks like now. See, as we can see here, we already have a warning that my credit limit is already exceeded at the moment. So if we go ahead and try and put a sale on, and authorise that there, you'll get a warning here to say the customer's outstanding balance is already over the credit limit, and if you would like to continue or not with this sale. We can also find out if a customer owes us anything before we go ahead and pop in a sale by going to the customers, and we can see in this due column here, we can see how much they owe the business. So that is everything on credit holds and limits within the system. So thank you very much for watching.